If you look at Harley-Davidson, if you go over the years, usually it was only white guys that rode Harleys. The myth of the whole thing was, you got to remember that black men has been riding Harley-Davidsons all the way back into the war.
When the military came back from war, a lot of the guys rode motorcycles.
I was in the Navy. Some guys on my ship had bikes, so I bought me a bike.
Well, the first thing we was doing, we was riding cars. We was a car club. On Saturday, we couldn't have the one car, so the old lady used to have to go make groceries, so we didn't have no way to get around but on motorcycles.
The motorcycles that they bought had so much equipment on them that they didn't need.
I bought a 1941 Harley-Davidson for 85 bucks.
Then they started to paint them, and then they started to chrome them, so they would take the bikes apart.
85 bucks, I come back to San Diego and I put it together.
Certain military uniforms or patches, they would paint those on the side of the gas tanks.
There was a lot of full-dress riders riding bikes. Star Riders and the Buffalo Riders, they had uniforms.
On a Saturday night, if you didn't come to the set with a bike that was painted right, chromed out right, seats was done, and your outfit looked right, you was getting laughed off the set.
See, when I had a problem at home, my bills I couldn't pay, or my money I didn't have no money to pay my bills with. And then I had a lot of problems with my kids or something other went on in my family that I couldn't solve. Then I got up on my damn motorcycle.
It's just the feeling that you got when you get on your bike. Whatever kind of stress you got is gonna relieve it.
I didn't have time to get mad and get upset when I got on my bike.
Having the air hitting you, the wind in your face, the freedom of nothing being around you. It's like the thought patterns of anything that's going on in your life kind of leaves you.
When I came back home, I could solve my problem. My bike was a lot of problem solving for me.
I get on my bike, go up on the freeway, man. I got me a rush that you won't never get from no dope or nothing else.
When you're on your bike, your pipes and your mufflers, they tune in with you. You tune in with your bike and you roll to the sound and it just take you on down the highway. It's like music. You don't even need a radio. You just listen to your bike and go on about your business.
Well, it's like this. It's like you look at a guy that's riding with you. This is your club brother. Friend is a friend, but your club brother is your club brother. In other words, when you see that, it's like you're looking at more than just a brother. You're looking at something that's even closer.
I got guys in this group that when I'm going through some of the most personable times in my life, it's guys in this group that I call first before I call family sometimes.
You know, it's like I got two homes. I got the one I got with my family, and I got the one with my brotherhood. Instead of being on the street, going to jail, I can come to my club and chill instead of being out there on them corners.
We are not a gang. We are family people. We have jobs, we have homes, we have kids, everything that normal people do.
These colors are something that you cherish, something that you hold dearly to your heart. It's something that you know that you're not going to misuse. You're not going to disgrace them.
You actually joined this. We didn't actually join you.
This club completes me. You know, I'm a dragon. Wouldn't you like to be one too?
If it goes down funky, then we're here together with each other. But riding is the main purpose of this club. It's supposed to be a riding club, not a driving club, not a parking club, not a domino club.
To get into a pack and ride with about 20 to 30 to 80 guys in a club, all of them on the same motorcycle, everybody's going the same way, wearing the same colors. It's not a feeling like that in the world, because you know every last one of them is your brother. You know, you down for them, they down for you. Sometimes we get to be a little prejudiced when we come to motorcycles. If you're not on a Harley, then you ain't riding a motorcycle.
I think Harley's a lifestyle. Like, Harley has created an image of what a biker should be, where it came from.
You can't really explain it unless you hop on the bike yourself. You get the same feeling I got. It's like a natural high.
If he come and join the Dragon, he gonna have to have a Harley-Davidson. You can't join the Dragon unless you have a Harley.
Harley's just it at the end of the day.
Yeah, like Harley is like the Cadillac of bikes.
I don't give a damn who you are, where you come from, where you came from.
The sound of a Harley-Davidson motorcycle is the sound of strength and power. The sound of gas and electricity, thunder combined. That's what it's about, and that's what we're about. Strength and power, the power of togetherness, the power of love.
Biking is like the best. Like, that's all I ever do, I think, until the day I die. I'm tired. You tell me I can't turn the throttle no more.